Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about digital menu or QR menu. What is digital menu and why digital menu system was designed. So digital menu is perfect for restaurants, cafes, shops and other types of businesses to provide their customers with an attractive QR menu and help them to order with a few simple clicks from restaurants. As you can see, it's a restaurant name Burger Lab, having logo, some description, their categories of menu. Now if you want to order any of these product using QR code, how can you order this? Now I'm going to tell you about this. As you can see, it's a QR code generated by restaurant. So the customer or client just have to scan this QR code using their phone camera or QR application to scan the code and order any one of the product from this restaurant. Now I am going to show you how customer can scan this QR code using their phone camera and order any one of the product from the restaurant. As you can see, I open my phone, open the camera from here and scan this code. After scanning, you can see the link was generated. By clicking on this icon, you can open this link into the browser. Now the whole menu of the restaurant you can see in the browser. You can see in your mobile now information, restaurant information like for example restaurant logo, restaurant description, their categories. Like in this restaurant they are right now they are having 4 categories: appetizers, chicken burgers, beef burgers, ice cream and burgers. Each category owns some products. Like for example appetizers own nuggets with their price, and if you want to add any of the product you can add it by clicking add to cart button. And same for chicken burgers, like it's also this category also having one product available right now. For example, I add this product Firehouse burger into my cart. I click add to cart button and the product was added into my cart. Now move on. For example, I also want to order an ice cream shakes. I click on ice cream shake category. In this category you can see there are 2 products available right now, and I want to order chocolate shake. So I click on add to cart button and order this product, add this product into my cart as well. Now further I click on I want to see my cart, so I just click on my cart button and you can see I have ordered 2 products. I have added 2 products in my cart. You can also add one or more this product. For example, I want 2 ice cream shakes, so I just by clicking on adding in separate button you can add or delete any product. Now here you can see the quantity of the product name, price, quantity and the total price as well, and their subtotal of the product. Now by clicking on continue shopping and giving your order information, you can place an order. As you can see, I have given my order information, my name, my first name, last name, email, my phone number, and then click on continue. As you can see, my order was successfully placed. The restaurant give me an order ID which is 1. Now in the previous section, as I told you about how can customer place an order. Now in this section I am going to tell you about how restaurant view their orders, how restaurant generate their QR code and their menu as well. For this I have to just log in with my restaurant name. Now as you can see, I have successfully logged into my restaurant. Now I'm going to show you how restaurant generate their QR code. Just click on view QR code, and it's a QR code of the restaurant having logo, restaurant information, or you can see restaurant description about restaurant and QR code. And by clicking on view restaurant, you can see restaurant menu with their categories. For example, this restaurant Burger Lab have 4 categories right now. Each category owns some products, as I told you in previous section, like appetizers own nuggets, chicken burger owns 2 products, that is Firehouse and Doppler Burger with their price. Same for ice cream shakes having 2 products. Beef burger have 1 product with their price and add to cart button as well. Now I'm going to tell you how these categories or items added, how can restaurant add these categories or items in their menu. For add, click on add category, click on category button. For example, you can see right now there are having 5 categories available here, but you can add it or delete any one of this category. Now by clicking on add new button, restaurant can add any new category in the restaurant. Like for example, I write cakes, I add category name cake, and image, I'm not, for example, I'm not having cake image right now, so I'm just going to place chocolate Oreo shake image in this section and then click on save. As you can see, my category was added in the list. Now by clicking on items, you see there are multiple items available in the restaurant, and if you want to add or place new item in the restaurant, you can click on add new item name. For example, I write chocolate cake, select cake category, select category of this item from category. As I have add new category cake and their price of cake, and if restaurant have an image of cake as well, so I'm not having image of cake right now, so I'm just placing chocolate shake image here and click on save button. So the item chocolate cake was added into the restaurant, as you can see here, with the restaurant name, category name, image and their price. Now I'm going to show you how restaurant received their order number or order ID. Now go on pending orders. As you can see, I have placed one order with the person name Ali, restaurant name Burger Lab, email this, phone number this, and the date or time was this, and the status was pending. Right now the status was pending until and unless restaurant accept or approved it. By clicking on view button, you can see the customer details including order number, customer name, email, phone number, date and time, and order confirmation. By clicking on order confirm or reject order, you can confirm or reject any one of the order details. For example, this customer ordered 2 products from the restaurant. You can see their price, category name, quantity, and their item price and the total price of the item and the total amount, total bill, as or you can see total bill of the restaurant. Now by clicking on confirm order, the status was order was changed and it will go into the approved order section. As you can see, it will move to the approved order section. Now its status, this order status was approved. By clicking on view, you can again confirm this order and it will go into the ready section. For example, I click on approved So it will move from approved section to ready order section. As you can see, the order state right now, the order status was ready. Once I click on again view button, it will go from the complete order section, the same order, confirm order, and now as you can see, it will move to the completed order section from the restaurant site. Now you can view this order and its status was completed now. Now in the next section, I'm tell you how can admin register any one of the restaurant from their site. Now in this section, I'm going to tell you about how can admin add or register any of the restaurant. By using my admin credentials, I log in into the account. As you can see, here is the main dashboard of admin section. On here you can see user group, users and restaurants. By clicking on restaurants, as you can see, there are the two restaurants. Right now there are two restaurants available. If there are more, you can see the list of the restaurant here, including their logo, status, address, email. If admin want to add any of the restaurant, any of the new restaurant, by clicking on add new, I add, for example, I add the restaurant name, which is pizza, its email address, their password of the restaurant, logo of that restaurant, and its active status. Save. As you can see, the restaurant was added in this list. By using these email ID and password, restaurant can edit or delete any of the item, or edit or delete any category from this. That's it for today.